Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Process, and we are hoping here to make sure that through transparency and accountability, we adhere to those democratic principles which the Jamaica Labour Party holds so important. And this again is a part of our effort to be responsive and to be accountable to the people. So my goal is just to make sure that if there are any issues, I can assist. If there's anything that persons observe, I'm a conduit to which it can be passed on. And we're going to be here, as we were here from the start, all the way until the end of this of the process today.
How important is this seat today?
Every single seat is important to Jamaica. And if it's important to Jamaica, it's important to the Jamaica Labour Party.
We voting for the better party, you know, right? And a better man for carry through. That's the one we go for.
How long are you a delegate?
It's been a while. I don't remember. Believe me. Right.
Is this the first time you've been called upon as a delegate to vote for one or two persons to decide?
Yeah. First. It was a tough decision, but we just have to make the right choice, right?
I'm supporting More Than Wilson because More Than Wilson is a newly member of Parliament in the Westmoreland Constituency from 1989. PNP have been controlling Westmoreland from 1989, as I just said. And More Than Wilson is the MP that take us out of bondage, so to speak. So I have to support him. And secondly, he's from G2K. He's to me, he's a hardcore Labourite supporter of the Jamaica Labour Party. So I have no doubt in supporting More Than Wilson. And he's our MP from 2020. And for 2 years out of the 4 years since then, he is our MP. We had COVID, so Westmoreland infrastructure was in a deplorable condition. And, you know, I think he's doing a fantastic job so far in infrastructure, and he's trying his best to let the area that never had water for decades. So, you know, when I look and when I analyze and see what he's trying to do, I have to support him.
And how long have you been a delegate of the party?
Well, I don't know the specific time, but it's been a long time, more than 20 years. As I said, he's a hardcore Labourite, which he took us out of the drought, as I say, so to speak. So, boy, I couldn't turn my back against
I
him.
didn't really like this thing. No, I don't like this thing because this is not a nice thing, right? And what two of them should do is come together and work together and say if we can carry home the seat. This no call for this one side. No, we don't like this thing. And Mr. James him come a jump. Mr. Molan come and win. And he's be working. Eh? Mr. James jump. Jump from PMP, come to Labour, right? And anyway, he win this. A street PMP is seat gone back to. And this is not nice. They must come together. They must come together and work. The two of them should come together and work. So the two of them campaign. Eh? So what happened? Now man, remember say you know work for this seat, you know. So you're not supposed to get it. And who work for it get it. So what you want to jump for? Come on man, shape up on yourself man. We are one party. We are one party. Let us work together and carry home Westmoreland seat.
Lindley Grant, former caretaker, councillor for Friendship Division, and former PRO for Western Westmoreland. I am here this afternoon to ensure that the Jamaica Labour Party becomes the next government for the island of Jamaica, our beautiful island Jamaica. And I'm here backing Mr. Garfield James because I am sure that he is the best candidate for Western Westmoreland into the next election. A man of dignity, a man of pride, a man of honesty, and a man who is ready to lead his people to Parliament to make sure that Western Westmoreland remain a seat for the Jamaica Labour Party.
But Moreland has been here since 2020. Why would you not be fit to continue?
I was one of Moreland's main outstanding Labourite. I believe that he has failed the people of Western Westmoreland, and for that reason, I have to move him from the present position that he is now at.
In a high speed chase, and the vehicle crash.
End up in a loss of life.
The vehicle crash, you know, and kill 5 people. You know. My question: should Transport Authority be tracing down vehicle? Let me know in your comment.
I don't really want to know.
Transport Authority trace down a vehicle?
This now go slide.
Let me know, because
We're not going to make this slide.
me believe say it should happen.
We need them to get
And Transport
discipline.
Authority in these days and time, take a man license plate, start the man next day.
Of course.
But you see where cars now do.
Them are coming here with a try proof.
It's not the first
We
time
still got proof
Transport
by one or
Authority
two.
cause them problem, yeah. And you know something about Transport Authority and police? Them are some lying set of people.
Shit back, them are
Yeah,
come
man, them very
proof.
lie. Because right
Remember the artist you would say, when police to the beast are come, they move because they will let down police are ground. And the police them I go up on every stage trying to take off for you. But really and truly, some of them need to get licked down the ground. Because some of them now do police work. Some of them are do extortion work. You hear what the taxi man them saying at Clarendon? The Transport Authority then always give them money. And when they didn't have money to give them, they come with a whole heap of problem. So the Transport Authority them in Jamaica, they are extortionists. They are extortionists. But when I tell you, listen to my voice, Transport Authority, and the police them who operate by the book. You see when they Talkumind TV I come down the road, me I beg you, do come in the road, come stop me. Please, me I beg you, just come in the road, come push out on your hand. Please, me I beg you. Because you have a tendency to shoot people. I say taxi man, I say police shoot taxi man with a passenger load. Within car full of passenger. Shoot taxi man. Within car load full of passenger. I say police a shoot man, a kill man in a handcuff. When you see Talkumind TV I come down the road, you know corrupted police. You know go in the road if you don't think you bad. Just go in the road if you don't think you bad. Here, me warn you know. When you see Talkumind TV, a cruiser come down the road, you know, going on the blood clot road and push up on the hand and see. The transport authority and the thief in police, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that.
No, me believe say, them might have say, I know them a run down that vehicle. Yeah, man, them lie them with the man. Them love to switch them story. Yeah, man. Police and transport authority are some of the liest set of people on the road. I'm sure say, them going to say, they wasn't running down that vehicle.
Me I make you hear what the
But
shit them I say.
families
Listen what I
of the
say.
person who died, get a lawyer,
Of course.
sue the transport authority.
Sue the transport authority.
Sue them.
Sue them.
You have to win, you know.
You have to
You
win.
have to win because of them cause your picnic for dead.
We have the video them.
Get a lawyer and sue the transport
We
authority.
have the video them.
Because them don't have the authority for trace down no vehicle in no high speed trace.
We have the video them.
Sue them, man.
Sue them. So, here with the police, them I said, the Bridget never did there, you know. Here, I remember the taxi man, them, the people resident, them sit, Gwaan, and video it and then talk, pan camera, what take place. Here with this look a shit belly, this pampas belly, boy, I say. Here with this pampas belly, drunk a shit bag, I go say.
What had happened is that this vehicle and driver was seen in Maypen, and there was a suspicion that he was operating.
Alright, I'm going to make this clear. You see if a son operate, me I tell the taxi man them say eye for your eye. When you say corrupted police and corrupted transport authority, you don't play cricket with them, lick them for 6. If them can't commit manslaughter and the justice system in Jamaica try to make them get off of this, that means that there's no justice for no. For the regular people, there's no justice because the transport authority and the police, them being extra the people, them, so them are trying to cook it up for favor the two of them. So, the taxi man, them gonna want to say the taxi man commit manslaughter and want to lock him up. But I want to see how the case is going to turn out. And I want to see what happened to these transport authority. I say they should have get them out, bus up in the morning. The resident, them should have turned down on the transport authority, you see, and beat them. You see the transport authority them will cause this manslaughter here. They should have get beaten. The whole community should have beat them. And that's something I want to start pray. Because on the on our own. On the best believe it's on the on our own. So we have all come together and do this thing as a body of people. So all these transport authorities, them should have get beat. And no. They should have I should have one side and then side them have to lie down because the rest of them body in a pain. They say these transport authority will commit manslaughter and actually regulate themselves self out of it. Me say they should have lie down on them bed now with one of them foot cock up in a sling. I feel like hey. Listen what that boy has say.
An illegal taxi. He was stopped by the joint operations team. He did not stop. They decided to
hear the statement with this shit bag you come out with. So you see how them operate. You see how them operate. It's so long Noel killed Donnelly. You know, he think about Andrew come out and say nothing about it, you know. But he come talk about some different things and talk about how much million he might give anybody know anything about that. And one time Donnelly dead in silent as a lamb. In silent as a lamb. These people are drunk, bro. Watch this. I'm going to make you hear the things them look more from now when Marlon Malahoo try to trick Mark Golden with. Remember, we have 8 somebody a thief for money. Don't know them at all. Marlon Malahoo, this piece of drunk shitbag girl. Marlon Malahoo. She gonna be one of the thief for taxpayer money, you know. And as she coming to Parliament, I just want to hear that piece of shit.
Pursuit as he drove away because of the manner of driving. The pursuit was discontinued, and several minutes after, news came to the police that a crash had occurred. When they went to the scene, it was observed that this was the same vehicle that actually drove.
Some of them police have to get beaten when them not work. If stop tell lie when they're on duty. Some of them police have to get licked. To make them truthful. When they're on duty and tell lie, when they come off duty, them to get licked. To be truthful and work by the book. and nobody with no corruption. If you start get lick, so like how they like come a road come beat big man. Big man for beat them too. You know, so citizens can beat police. When police misbehave, you know, so the citizens them can arrest him. You never know. When police start operating themselves out of the ordinary, you can arrest them. You know that. So all them police will come a road like them a gunman and a bad up people. If you not come together, you can arrest him. You not come together and hold him down, take one gun from him, put it on one side, and tie him up, and call different police to go and lock him up. Them are going too bad. Some of them need to get discipline. Some of them need to get a Jamaica flag over their house. Because one time they get dismissed, you know, the only thing they get over their local house, you know, I want a Jamaica flag. Only one local Jamaica flag, then get over their local house. And some bridging just up in their suit and carry them. Only one local Jamaica flag, so make them go on.
The initial investigations have led us to believe that the vehicle was proceeding along Bustamante Highway.
Remember, one vehicle can't no speed, you know. One vehicle can't no high speed chase. And for the simple fact of the matter, so this police boy, you know, him never did it. And I come out, tell life for the transport authority, then forget discipline. And I'm at any one of them forget discipline, because the whole of them are the same thing. Criminal them. Then they're on the road every day. A hunter, drunk are not trustworthy. These are thieves. And the Constitution, when I talk about our whole entire life, our well-being, depend on this. This is not them I talk about, say them I go, put in baby car seat law, and the people them rise up and then just change it, and nothing like that. When they agree to this thing, it's going to be rash to change it. So we have to do it right from the get-go. So this rush when nasty looking dirty girl Marlene Malahou him and big dirty nose and Jonas, for change, for reform this constitution, it's not going to work. We will not have it. And I tell the Jamaican people, if them amend non-law, non-legislation, to push through this thing, we going to burn Jamaica down. This have to deal with the right way. This name the Constitution. The Constitution that different we, that back we. The Constitution that back we as Jamaica, as citizen of the land. That is the Constitution nasty looking Marlene Malahou and big dirty nose Andrew Jones want to reform to accommodate them thief in habit. It's not gonna happen. This is the Constitution we're talking about. No look up boy and girl who piss up on themselves in a parliament. Can't make no future for the next 40, 50 years. One time them never make no, they never set it good for when them did young. And when they all on a piss on themselves and away pampas from a parliament, them want to make, hey, why don't you go find one nursing home go retire? Why don't you find one nursing home? Desmond McKenzie, you say I want to look a place for people who want somewhere to live. Why not? Why you and them not to go live in your nursing home or your home where you have for people less fortunate? Why these drunker shitbags not come out of Henry Morgan house and go? Why these people can't have no shame? And big dirty nose and Jonas now, when they tell people about him now and look popularity, and they said drunker shitbag now walk around Jamaica look popularity. Eh? A fucking thief with taxpayer money. Eh? Still a walk around Jamaica about for vote. Vote for who? Go vote for your man.
Madam Speaker, where we are in the life of this Parliament,
we are dealing with. Big up yourself.
and having regard to the constitutional timelines, the work will not be complete in this Parliament.
Here it is.
But in its wisdom, the Constitution allows for the work to be done over the life of more than one Parliament.
Marley, the mouth stink. You come with the look of mouth for your rat shit. Things that nobody gonna fall for you, look lie them. And you can't, you're not that nice for hypnotize nobody. You look like some old plastic. You don't look nice if you hypnotize nobody, so move it look like rat shit mouth. Do we think I will fall for them here? Get out of here and move and think himself and go.
So, Madam Speaker, among the challenges in the context in which we find...
Even the Madam Speaker, we should talk about Madam Speaker. The Madam Speaker man a thief. And 7 more thieves there. So even the Madam Speaker can be a thief. How can we, the citizens, well-thinking Jamaican, how can you guys take for these thieves who want to change rules and make rules? No thief can make no rules to me. It's a death before the sun, I swear to God. I will not bow to no thief. I will not take talk for no thief. I'm soon like a much thief. You know how much thief that rise on GP now? You know how much thief get extra that got America? So no thieves are privileged. It not gonna happen. What good for the goose, good for the girl, and I'm gonna have shit and go.
Ourselves are 2 major ones. As I just said, the time where we are in the life of the Parliament, having regard to the prescribed timelines. And the other, Madam Speaker, is the importance of cooperation.
Ongoing without them having a copy.
Listen to this.
To this minute, I also do not have a copy, nor does the Parliament.
On so much, so far, nasty dirty girl Marlene Mala who reach with this thing, and nobody in the Parliament don't have a copy to follow up. So she just decides that she just go and read it, she read out, and then them can follow up on it at a later date. You know, sister, them keep Parliament to themselves. Only sister, and first, the Jamaica Labour Party come into the Parliament and keep Parliament for themselves, to themselves. And the people them who they serve, not the Jamaican citizen. The people who they sister, and we then keep Parliament for themselves. Eh? Come like we're not drunk.
And though it is not a requirement by the standing order, it has been a practice to share a copy of the presentation so that members...
Whether the standing order accommodate that, yes or no, it is the right thing to do to give the opposition member them a copy of whatever shit you don't want to talk out of the mouth. So if the shit too think, then can flush it. You never know.
Members of the opposition are allowed to follow the presentation. For the Speaker, I am hoping ministers appreciate, once I do not have a copy of the presentation, it...
when I read, you want thief, you know, Juliet Owens. You're going to be one of the thief too, you know. Because if your husband a thief, is more likely you're a thief too, you know. If your husband is a thief in thing to Juliet Owens, it is likely for you to be one of the thief too. Because if your husband are the number 1 thief, he might go tell us for thief too. He might say, Juliet, I eat that and I say, I am food. And I am some food too. If I buy some truck and go put down a centi, why you not go buy some truck and give some man some truck for drive?
Limits my ability to determine what additional time...
Remember, you know, rumors circulate all over. Say, Juliet, your name come up on Sylvia Lantyker, you know. Sylvia, they look how mysterious, suspicious, mysterious death. Yeah, them people there. It is alleged your name come up on them Lantyker. So, just keep your mouth too. You're not credible either. So just shut your toilet. You're not credible.
Be needed, and therefore not any significant departure from the time limit will be accommodated. So, House Leader, from the opposition benches, I have asked them to sit and allow the Minister to complete her presentation because her time was almost expired. And in keeping with good practice going forward, I'd ask you not to ask the members for a significant length of time because we are going to have to become a very disciplined house as we go forward.
But Juliet Owens, you and Andrew Owens can't make the Parliament become a disciplined house because you and Andrew Owens is lack of discipline. What can go so? You and Jonas when I have no discipline. Want to make the parliament become disciplined. It come like them people are drunk and sitting. Juliet sitting around with a man. If I'm with him and I see, why you not go back where you did there? Why you not go back in there and I look a rock stone in there and hide for how long?
I fully concur with the sentiments you have expressed.
I just want, Madam Speaker, I just want
Also, you have to do one mic at a time, otherwise they're very soft.
Yeah, thank you. Madam Speaker, I just want to express my disappointment that we are proceeding this matter on a matter such as this. This is to do with the total overhaul of our Constitution, something which this minister has been pursuing for a few years now, and in which we have had some degree of engagement, as unsatisfactory as we have found that. For the minister to be making an important presentation of this nature to the House without providing copies
Watch the Prime Minister.
In accordance with the customs of the House.
Watch the Prime Minister.
And I would ask that that be corrected without further delay.
Watch the Prime Minister. I don't think Market
Minister, turn your mic off, please.
That is why Skettlebum, Juliet Cockbird and Suck Prick, Everal Warmington, I come at like them one come with them race card slur. It not gonna work. One Marky G, our Prime Minister. So the quicker on accept it, it's better for them. One Marky G, our Prime Minister, una like it drop down and dead.
Thank you.
Madam Speaker, the Leader of the Opposition point is taken. We made the arrangements for the soft copy to be provided and for a printing of this soft copy to happen while the member was speaking, and Parliament gave permission, so to speak, for her to start the speaking. And Madam Speaker, this is unprecedented.
All this look a think about one. It is unprecedented for you to take side with the hotel manager them and make the hotel worker them and do slavery job. It is unprecedented. Think mouth Edmund Bartlett. It is unprecedented for you think mouth Edmund Bartlett to take side with this hotel manager and have the Jamaican people them do slavery work. $1.80 an hour. Edmund Bartlett, go flush yourself in a toilet in a parliament. Find yourself in the parliament bathroom and flush yourself.
And it is not, and I agree with you, it's not a practice that we offer any comfort.
Edmund Bartlett, shut your toilet. It is a practice. Think about Nigel Clark do it. Whole heap of time. The look one they know, Pernell Charles' daughter, the one who I put on man clothes coming to parliament, but she have one girl. Two daughters Pernell Charles have in a parliament. The one who wear man clothes and the one who wear woman clothes. Pernell Charles' daughter. Couple times now, I see him coming to parliament, a chat be a shit out of him out, and the opposition side don't have a copy to follow up. It is something we want to do every time. So don't come now and play like you know denial, like this is new to you. You well know say I want style. Remember me I watch you how long, you know. You want me can find back all of this video, Pernell Charles, and show us your phone style that. You want bet me? Just say fair. One next time I come and show you all of this time what happened. Pernell Charles, go flush yourself in the parliament bathroom.
The Leader of the Opposition has made the point, and
oh, not go on a false promise. On the things that we are putting back in the office. On the things that we are novice. On the better listen to this. Vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them promptly, people just vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, we have to tell them promptly, cause when they win them a go dump way. Marky G, you know you the people them really want to see a great leader who will talk to we. Put on the boat and go, they go walk walk to we, yes, go march to we. Because we have some guy with them on a intention, leading the country in the wrong direction. That's why we come to make we own a selection. This we are gonna do when in call the election. Vote them out, cause them no see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go down pray. So we a tell them promptly people to vote them out, cause them no see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go down pray. We have to tell them